Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm standing here on the patio of our newest listing in the lodges of Canmore. As you can see, we have some awesome mountain views in this hotel condo, which actually supports Airbnb. So come take a look inside. Welcome inside this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom Airbnb condo. A few of the features of this unit is we have a gas fireplace, we have some upgrade appliances, and we also have some new flooring. Let's not waste any time and show you around. Thanks for coming with us to check out our latest listing. If you'd like any more information, feel free to reach out to us directly. I'll put our information down in the description below. Look forward to chatting with you.